Welcome back to another video series. In this series, I am exploring Thailand. Template will be same, so we will go to a capital city for few days. We will acclimatize, explore the city, explore surrounding areas, and then we will move to a beach town. We will explore unexplored places in Thailand and enjoy some time at beach. Come back to main capital city and then head home back to Mumbai on an international flight. I'll give information of all the flight details and the hotel bookings later in the video. To begin the journey, I am at Mumbai International Airport. It's a very early morning flight, so we went in the dim lit corner and got us the horizontal seats to lay down. Once we reached Bangkok, we took Grab taxi and went to our Airbnb. We booked our property a little away from city center. However, it was near the metro. This was the view outside of our window. It's an apartment in 7 or 8 story building. This was a gated community. I saw many tenants as students and travelers. There was a swimming pool as well, but it was non-functional for the week. This is one thing that you should take care of. You should talk to your Airbnb host and ensure that all the amenities are available. In my case, Airbnb host didn't mention that upon booking. However, when we were closer to the actual travel date, then he disclosed that for a week the swimming pool will be non-functional, which is, to be honest, a little inconvenient. Rest of the amenities were okay. So there is a fridge, there is a stove, there is storage area. It was a studio apartment, so just a kitchen and a bedroom, and sofa and dining table in the main room, which had the kitchen cooktop setup. Right now in the video, I am gathering all the supplies and I am doing what I do the best. I am probably going to cook some breakfast. I am making bread omelette today. So I got some bread from the market, which was nearby. We have oregano, chili flakes, and then we have tomatoes and green chili. I got the eggs in fridge. So let's get started. By the way, this is a different kind of cooktop. It has a heating plate. I am comfortable with the cooktops that have induction elements. I also bought cheese and my eggs and some butter because I don't have any oil here. Alright, I'll speed it up a little bit and I'll come back after a minute. Once all the chopping is done, we will take our eggs out of the fridge and start cracking them up. We get the butter in the pan, turn on the heat, and get the butter melting. Meanwhile, add onion, tomatoes, salt, green chilies, chili flakes, and everything in the bowl along with the eggs. While the pan is getting hot, spread the butter evenly everywhere. And start whisking the eggs. Mix everything properly together in the bowl. Like I said, this is a new kind of cooktop for me. It was a little hard to gauge whether the top is properly hot or not. This is that hot plate kind of cooktop, which is not an induction plate which heats up the bottom of the pan. Rather, this was the heating plate type which heats the iron plate, the entire top of this cooktop. Since this is of a new kind and I'm not really habitual with working with this cooktop, you can see it is little hotter than usual, and on the first try I burned my eggs from the bottom. Got the first omelette out of the pan and immediately began working on the second one. I carried my own sauce all the way from India. This is Viva's Chipotle Southwest sauce. I've carried this to so many countries. I think by now Viva should sponsor me.
असंच पडलेली उचलून आणली, बघितलं पण नाही आता लिटरली सुट्ट्या काय ते लॅपटॉप बॅकअप आहे असूच जुनी डिस्क आहे त्याला बघायचं असतं काय काय त्यातली चार्जर कुठे होतं काय पेपर आणले तू नाही असं म्हणजे एअरपोर्ट पण मला काय समज नाही तू आणलं ते
While the omelette gets ready, I spread my sauce on my breads, got the cheese out,
काय अजून आता बघा ठीक आहे बघायचं असं आहे प्रकार काय
quickly assembled my sandwich between the breads, added the cheese, and got all of them ready for toasting. Prepared all sandwiches and enjoyed the breakfast.